Welcome, today in front of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap here to the sound section. After that you'll see a ring and notification volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should hold and swipe to the left side this dot, and that's it. Now our ringtone successfully muted. If you wanna just make it by another way, you just should first press up or down volume button on the right side of your phone, then click here to the three dots, and just to mute the ringtone you should hold and swipe this volume panel, and then just to tap here to done to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.